Welcome to our new Sierra Flow Division website. I am Erica Giannini, Marketing Manager at Sierra, and I want to give you a quick tutorial on the new features of our new site that will make finding products for your application fast and easy. There are two major ways to find products on our site. First, go to the Products dropdown. Here, you can search by fluid, gas, liquid, or steam. If you know your type and technology, you can search by type and technology. You can search by product series. So I know I need a 100, so I'm going to search by product series. In this menu, there are also key actions to get started on your project. First, you can specify and buy online. We have the largest factory direct store in the industry, and you can see there's 9 products in stock, 9 SmartTrack 100s, some 810s, 23, and even some Quadratherm, our industrial products. There's 5 Quadratherm in stock. So if you want to get started and buy online, your products will ship next day. The next thing you can do is get a quote and fill in some quick application details, and someone from Sierra will get back to you immediately to answer your questions. Download our new Flow brochure, which is a comprehensive brochure on all of our Flow products, and even go to the Automotive Test System page. The next way to find products is through this Explore and Learn section. This section is intended to do exploration and research if you're not quite sure what product you need. So you can search by application and industry, and we have a nice filter system here. You can also look at our blog. And on our blog, there's a filter system, so you can filter by the type that you are interested in. There's some guides, product catalogs, clean energy guide. You can also watch our videos. We have a very, very large library of videos to learn more about our technology. And if you want to do some research on our media, there's this nice all media page with all of the media we have, application stories, press releases, articles. Another very important part of our new website is our new support and contact drop-down menu. Here you can find everything you need to get support during and after purchasing a flow meter from Sierra. So you can contact us. We have a contact us form with all of your local phone numbers, fax, email, and global locations. You can also get live help. This is immediate help from one of our engineers and application experts or our tech experts. In the tech support section, you can get all the information you need for technical support and lifetime support from our application engineers. This service and repair section is very, very important. Here, you can actually submit a return or a calibration right here, and you can log into your account. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to log into your account. So here's my Sierra account. I'm going to put in my email, and I'm going to put in my password. I have an account, so I'm going to sign in. If you don't have an account, I would highly encourage you to create a Sierra account. There are many really great benefits to having a Sierra account. First of all, it's a one-stop shop for all your service and repair needs. Right here in one place, you can get your RMA status. So I just submitted something, and the status is waiting for units in one place. You can also go to this really great new feature called My Units. My Units is a customized calibration and repair portal. So Sierra is known for excellent service and recalibration. We've been in business for 40 years. We've recalibrated thousands and thousands of instruments and really harnessed 40 years of expertise with our flow experts. So here you can look at all of the serial numbers and model numbers that you have submitted through our online RMA system. It also gives you a really great resource for checking when your next calibration is up. So it makes it really, really easy to manage your service and calibration units. You can check your views, your active units, your units due soon for calibration. You can also adjust your recalibration reminder. We send you automatic recalibration reminders via email and post. So we do a lot of the work for you. We want to make this repair and service very easy for you. You can actually go to a new RMA form and submit an RMA. So here you would submit your RMA and you would get an online confirmation. You can also go to your account, and this account has another great resource: your service and repair, your rental resources, and your online orders. In one place, you can view your online orders and the status of your online orders. So the support and contact menu also has all the support you need for finding sales support, finding your rep, and requesting a quote. Also, Sierra Worldwide Centers, and we have a really great service brochure that gives all of our service capabilities. And this is Jim Oswald. He's the head of the tech support at Sierra. Friendly guy, has been at Sierra for 15 years, and he's here to help you at any point. In the Docs and Downloads section, you can get all the information you need for research on your product, all the technical information, and for the support after purchase. So in this Documents and Downloads section, you have all the documentation for our products. I'm going to filter, and a nice filter system. I'm interested in information on the SmartTrack 100. I'm going to click that. And here is the page, the Documents and Downloads page for SmartTrack 100. So here in one spot, you have all the documentation for the product. So data sheets, manuals, guides, and you can even use this filter system to find software, certificates, and even the digital communications available. So after you've done your research and you're ready to get started, we have 3 really great ways to get you started. You know, Sierra has been in business for 40 years. Our expertise is helping customers customize the best solution for their application. We are the factory. We manufacture all our products here in Monterey. So we think, the best application engineers and engineering team in the industry. So when you're ready to buy or specify, here's the first option. You can buy and specify online. We are the largest online store, factory direct, in the industry. We have SmartTrack 100, Scientific. We have 9 in stock. We have 15 SmartTrack controllers in stock. What does this mean? This means these products are fully calibrated, fully built at our factory, ready to ship out. You get the same great quality that Sierra demands, and you get excellent delivery. So we really pride ourselves on this fast delivery. You can also fully customize many of these products with our configurators. So the 800 series has a configurator, the 100 series has a configurator, and in these configurators, you can completely configure your product. So the second way to get what you need is to submit a quote. So here is our request for quote form. Because I'm logged in, I have all my information saved on here to make it really easy to get what you need. You follow step 2 and 3, give some application information. So you're going to press submit, and one of our application engineers will get back to you immediately to help you with your application. The third way to get help and to get started specifying your product is to find your local rep. So here we have 150 locations where Sierra is represented, over hundreds and hundreds of Sierra reps and distributors throughout the globe. So here's our rep locator. You can sort by country. So I'm going to say North America. You can pick your state, Alabama, or you can pick your country, and you will directly get the information you need about your local rep. Lastly, you can rent from us. So if you're not wanting to purchase a product, you can rent. We have ultrasonic flow meters available for our rental program. So you can click rent, again, submit the rent form, and someone will get back to you within a couple hours to help you rent an ultrasonic meter. I would like to show you one more feature of our website that makes it really easy to find the products you need. So if you go to the product dropdown, let's say you know your type and technology, you want a mass flow meter, click mass flow meter. Then here we have a filter system to easily narrow down the product you need for your application. So here we have all of our mass flow meters, our scientific lines, our industrial lines. So I know I need I need between a 50 SLPM meter. So I'm going to narrow my search down a little bit. So now I have my scientific line. I'm going to narrow my search down to a smaller pipe size. And I see that I would like the premium digital Smart Track. I got the Smart Track and Top Track. I'm gonna take a look and do some research on the Smart Track 100. So I'm going to go to our new product page. Our new product page has all the key features of each product, so you can quickly sort what features you need. We have really nice photos of our products and even videos. This is a principle of operation, how capillary thermal flow meter technology works. So on this page, I can do some research. I can read about an overview of the product. I can read more. And then I can also scroll down to the key product benefits and then drill down even more to the exact specifications of the product. Another great feature on the product page is we have included all the documentation, documents and downloads integrated into the product page. So you can click on your data sheet to do some more research. You can also filter if you want to see what kind of applications are applicable for the product. You can use these filter side menus to easily get what you need. So now that you've done some research and you're ready to get started specifying or buying your product, there are two major options. You can buy now on our online store for the best delivery option, or you can request a quote. You know, I'm going to check out the online store. I'm going to buy now. So I want a mass flow meter. My flow rate is actually like 22 SLPM here. So, you know, I'm going to check stock. There are 9 products in stock, meaning ship next day, or I can customize. I'm going to check stock just to see if I have any options. So I have 0 to 200 SCM in stock. I've got 3 in stock 1 SLPMs, 10 SLPM. You know, it doesn't look like I have anything for my application. So if I did have something, I would just add this to the cart and buy online. I am going to see how to customize a product for my application. So I'm going to select my gas, which is air, and my flow rate. It's about 22 SLPM. If I were going to use our configurator, I would add my other specifications and then choose my product specs. Then I would simply add it to cart, and you would be able to purchase online. At any point, if you need assistance, you can always go to Live Help or request a quote. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the product page through this Learn More link. And, you know, I think I just want to request a quote. I want one of our experts to help me customize my solution. So I'm going to fill out the request for quote form. Again, the form is auto-filled for your convenience if you're logged in. And fill in some quick application details, and someone from Sierra will get back to you immediately to answer your questions.